My real estate client Eric usually got 2K to 6K views on his video, and it's pretty average. But his latest video just hit 46K views in 8 days. But to be honest, it was not just luck. We use YouTube split testing. If you don't know what is split testing, so called as A/B split testing, we can use three different thumbnails and titles for one video as a split testing. And YouTube algorithm will automatically change this thumbnail and show you which thumbnail style actually like your audience and which not. Hmm. So the whole reason I'm making this video is to show you the reality check. Right now on YouTube, simple and clean packaging is working way better than heavy and complex design. Because I'm going to show you exactly why the thumbnail that took me hours to make completely failed. And why the one that took me barely 20 minutes to make the ultimate winner. If you're a real estate agent and you're trying to grow on YouTube, you need to see this. So let's look at the first two thumbnails that completely flopped. I spent hours on those, but data does not lie. So this thumbnail flops because it's only covered the specific part of the video. In the video, there is a part where his wife crashed his car. So like my client said, like let's add this part in the thumbnail because he think it's really attractive, but it's flops because it's only covered the specific part of the video and there is no visual hooks that attract the broader audience and it does not deliver the strong overall visual story to the viewer. So now the day in the life concept is actually good, but the execution was weak. The images we use for this split just are not that attractive and these are low quality and the lighting is flat. Here is the harsh reality of YouTube right now. If your visual quality look cheap or look low effort, the viewer instantly assume your video is also low quality and low effort, and they will just keep scrolling and they will not watch your video. Now look at the winner, the thumbnail that only took me 20 minutes to design. Look how it's simple and it's clean. It's highly attractive and the most important part, it's convey the message instantly. Like you can see the day in the life and the title we used, I will show you. It's match the whole video vibe and the thumbnail too. So this is the stats. You can see these two thumbnails just got 34% and 24% watch time share. But look at this. This is our winner and it got 40% watch time share. Like out of 100, 40% people like this thumbnail and watched the video just clicking by this thumbnail. And look at the titles, like the simplest title works best for this video. Like day in the life of 100 million developer, just like that. And here, day in the life of a luxury home builder, it's flops, and my wife run my McLaren, day in the life of a developer, and it's also fail. And the biggest takeaway here is that we don't always know which idea will work until we test it. Because right now, like on YouTube, the most real estate videos are just cluttered. If you look at the title or look at the thumbnail, they use the text that blends with the with the background, and the title is also not that good. And just like you can see that, you know what I'm saying. You got my point. You have a lot of room to grow on YouTube as a real estate agent or real estate developer or whoever you are. Because people don't understand the YouTube packaging. They think, oh, let's just make the video and it will blow up. But that's not true. So next time you upload a video like day in the life video or market update video or even property tour, stop over editing stuff. Focus on clear subject, readable text, and a strong hook. That's it. And if you're a busy real estate agent and you want me to handle your other stuff, right now he just need to upload the video and I handle everything for him. From thumbnails to uploading. I make three thumbnails for him, title, split testing, SEO, and when the video is uploaded, I monitor the views and if the views are low, I will change the title, I will change the thumbnail accordingly to the data. So just give the video as boost as much as They should, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think about that, and God bless you. Bye.